Fantastically updated, check out the photos, move-in ready and sits on an established street with mature trees, located near Flour Bluff Schools. This stately 2-story home offers plenty of character and features 4 large bedrooms, 2 full baths and 1 half bath, kitchen island with butcher block surface and breakfast bar, dining area, large living room with a gorgeous wood-burning fireplace. Kitchen recently updated to include stainless/black appliances, including fridge, granite countertops and fresh white cabinets with hints of gray throughout. Spacious Owners suite is located downstairs and has large walk-in closet, granite counters, and dual sinks. The eye-catching stairway leads upstairs to 2 guest bedrooms with large walk-in closets. Check out the cedar closet, and there is another guest bedroom downstairs. Laundry room is large, washing machine is included. Rear